afternoon and a warm welcome to one and all present here for a mesmerizing afternoon filled with rhythm, grace, and sheer magic of dance. We are all thrilled to have you here with us as we embark on a journey through the world of movement and expression. As we all know, a classical dance is a celebration of precision, discipline, and artistry, where dancers spend years honing their skills, perfecting their techniques, and learning the nuances of expression. Kathak is one such dance which focuses on storytelling through rhythmic footwork, fast spins, and emotive expressions. So let us all engage in this heartful afternoon with all the soulful performances from Trimurti Kalakendra under the able guidance of our teachers and our mentor, Mrs. Divya Chaube. Today, I extend my heartfelt welcome to our chief guest, Mr. Panduranga Nayak, B Mechanical from NIT Surathkal and a retired project manager from L&T. He has been a part of Oil India Limited and ExxonMobil Construction and has spent a decade in Saudi Arabia refinery for ExxonMobil. He is a social worker after retirement and has been an active volunteer in COVID times for bed management, oxygen supply, and community vaccination. We welcome you, sir. I would like to now invite Mr. Chitvesh, Ms. Ankita, Ms. Divya, Ms. Payal, and Ms. Niyati for lighting the lamp.
And the secretary and our chief guest, Mr. Panduranga. Sir, please come on the stage for the lamp lighting. And I would like to call upon our teachers, Niyati, Ankita, Payal, and of course myself on the stage for the lamp lighting.
To be on stage, please. Mr. Panduranga Nayak. May I now request Mr. Chitvesh and Ms. Divya to present a token of our appreciation to our chief guest, Mr. Panduranga Nayak, Colonel T.K. Vijayan, and Mr. Bhupendra Yadav. Thank you, sir. May I now request Mr. Nayak to speak a few words of motivation for our performers, please.
It is very heartening to see so many aspirants and supporters of a dance form which is famous in India as well as abroad. मुझे ये मालूम नहीं दिव्या जी ने मुझे क्यों चीफ गेस्ट करके बुलाया, ये देहाती मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर हथौड़ा चाप, और ये ब्यूटीफुल डांस फॉर्म कॉम्बिनेशन होता ही नहीं. अगर मुझे बुलाया गया तो दो बात बोलना ज़रूरी है. कथक, if I can say correctly, started from Kathakars, mostly in Uttar Pradesh. Kathakar originally started with the Bhakti movement, where Krishna ji's Leelas were explained in a dance form with intricate foot movements as well as upper body movements and intricate eye expressions. There are so many gharanas or schools or ashrams in Kathak. Most famous of them, there are many, but most famous are Jaipur Gharana, which is known for its intricate foot movements, and Lucknow Gharana for the upper body and expression, if I am correct, Divyaji, and Benaras Gharana for its additional dance forms. Now, if we recall so many famous Kathak dancers, it can start from Maharaj clans of Shambhu Maharaj and and our own Madhuri Dixit's Nene, who is famous for Kathak forms. We have an excellent dancer in Bangalore who was, not is. That is Maya Rao, who started Kathak dance from Malleshwaram and made it all over the world, famous all over the world. And in Hyderabad also, Ms. Narayanan, who is an IAS officer, but her devotion for Kathak dance was so much that in addition to her profession, she studied and professionalized Kathak dance in India and abroad through her ballet. I won't take much more time, and I will hand it over to Divyaji.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, please be seated.
May I now request Colonel T.K. Vijayan to come on stage, please? To Colonel T.K. Vijayan. Thank you, sir. I call upon Ms. Niyati Pramod to talk about Trimurti Kala Kendra.
Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, so it gives me great pleasure to present a glimpse of the journey of Trimurti Kala Kendra. Trimurti Kala Kendra was founded in 1998 in Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh by the visionary artist and my teacher, Divya Chaube. It has now extended its branches to Bangalore since 2009. She's well known in the field of Kathak. She studied Kathak for nearly 15 years under the strict discipline and guidance of the distinguished guru, Mrs. Tripti Das Gupta and Tal Mani, Pandit Karodi Lal Bhatt. Mrs. Divya Chaube also received her BA degree in Kathak from the renowned Prachin Kala Kendra Chandigarh University and a master's degree from Raja Man Singh Tomar in Gwalior University. She's given numerous performances throughout India and has appeared in many prominent Kathak productions, including those on Doordarshan television. She has received many awards, such as those given by former Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Digvijay Singh. Other prominent awards including Sai Shri Award by Sai Das Ji Maharaj in Prayag Sammelan, Nritya Shri Award, Kalit Bala Award by Swami Shankaracharya Ji, Sarvashresh Kalakar by Milan, Bharat Bharti by Mahakaushal Sahitya, and Sanskrit Parishad by Swami Nityanand Saraswati at Munger. She was also awarded by the Ministry of Human Rights, Chandan Das Ji, and the Art of Living Ashram in Bangalore. Trimurti Kala Kendra aims at promoting a rich tradition of Kathak and other folk forms of North India. Our motive is to make the students fall in love with the art form and not just collect exams and pass certificates. We also organize workshops to teach the nuances of Kathak. We give the students their opportunities to showcase their talent and different performances with our innovative approach towards the art form. We would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for your blessings and look forward to have your continuing support and cooperation in the mission to attract young talent to fall in love with this art form. Thank you and a very warm welcome to the show. Have a great time.
Thank you, Niyati. So without further ado, let the show begin. Enjoy the performances and thank you all again for being a part of this extraordinary journey. First and foremost, Let us invoke the blessings of Ma Saraswati, the goddess of wisdom, knowledge, and art. May Ma Saraswati bless us all with her divine energy. May I request the Saraswati Vandana participants, Jia, Sara, Aradhya, Devanshi, and Sanvi, to come on stage, please.
शारदे माँ अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ।
हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। हे शारदे
स्वर की देवी ये संगीत तुझसे, हर शब्द तेरा, हर गीत तुझसे।
तू स्वर की देवी ये संगीत तुझसे, हर शब्द तेरा, हर गीत तुझसे।
हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे, तेरी शरण में हमें प्यार दे माँ।
हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे, तेरी शरण में हमें प्यार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ। मुनियों ने समझी, गुणियों ने जानी, संतों की भाषा, आगम की वाणी।
मुनियों ने समझी, गुणियों ने जानी, संतों की भाषा, आगम की वाणी।
हम भी तो समझे, हम भी तो जाने, विद्या का हमको अधिकार दे माँ।
हम भी तो समझे, हम भी तो जाने, विद्या का हमको अधिकार दे माँ।
हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ।
हे शारदे माँ। तू श्वेत वर्णी कमल पे विराजे, हाथों में वीणा, मुकुट सिर पे साजे।
तू श्वेत वर्णी कमल पे विराजे, हाथों में वीणा,
दे अंधेरा, हमको उजाला का परिवार दे माँ।
मन से हमारे मिटा दे अंधेरा, हमको उजाला का परिवार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ।
हे शारदे माँ।
Thank you all. That was a divine performance indeed. Together for these kids. Thank you so much. Well, in Kathak, Hastak refers to the various hand gestures or mudras used by the dancer to convey specific emotions, stories, and concepts, and they play a major role in enhancing the narrative and expression in the performance. We have our performers Deepa, Ruma, Rutuparna, Pooja, Vaishali, and Vanshika displaying Hastak today. Can I request you to be on stage, please?
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
आ थे त ता थे त आ थे त ता थे त आ थे त ता थे त आ थे त ता थे
Thank you so much for such an expressive and emotive performance. Significant element of Kathak, which characterizes specific rhythmic movement and patterns. We now have on our stage our mentor, Mrs. Divya Chaube, whose passion and motivation has laid the foundation of Trimurti Kala Kendra, which is an epitome of classical dance learning. She is depicting four main important parts of Kathak: Tarana, Sargam, Paran, and Geet. I would now request Mrs. Divya Chaube to be on stage, please.
धा ध धा ध धा 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 ध सा 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 नी धा 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 मा 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 धा नी धा 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 मा 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 धा 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 मा 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 धा 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 सा 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 नी सा
What an amazing, what a mesmerizing performance, ma'am. Thank you so much. I don't think any interruption can ever beat your energy. Well, India's rich folk heritage offers some beautiful pearls of music and dance. The next presentation which we have for you today is a tribute to a colorful and vibrant folk dance form. Please put your hands together to welcome our very young students, Sachi, Linaisha, Spriha and Sanvi for folk dance.
रेशम का रूमाल गले पे डाल के तुम आ जाना दिलदार मेरे माँ। मैं दिल्ली का सुरमा लगा के अरे कब से खड़ी हूँ दरवाजे पे। ओ रेशम का रूमाल गले पे डाल के तुम आ जाना दिलदार मेरे माँ। मैं दिल्ली का सुरमा लगा के अरे कब से खड़ी हूँ दरवाजे पे। ओ रेशम का रे दिल भर मेरे मैं तो थी अनजानी, मैं हो गई दीवानी रे तेरी नजरों की। ओ रेशम का मेरी लखनी हाले डोले, मेरा पिछुआ छम छम बोले। मेरी नथनी हाले डोले, मेरा पिछुआ छम छम बोले। रे मेरी लाल चुनरिया सर से सरकती जाए दिलदार मेरे माँ। मैं दिल्ली का सुरमा लगा के अरे कब से खड़ी हूँ दरवाजे पे। ओ रेशम का रे दिल भर मेरे मैं तो थी अनजानी, मैं हो गई दीवानी रे तेरी नजरों की। ओ मलमल का
such a wonderful and rhythmic performance. Well done. Indian mythology believes in three forms of God: Brahma, the creator; Vishnu, the nurturer; and Shiva, the destroyer. Our next performance is dedicated to Lord Shiva by our teachers, Mrs. Ankita Vaidya and Mrs. Payal Chakrabarti. Can I request you to come on stage, please?
ब्रह्ममुरारि सुराचितलिङ्गं ब्रह्ममुरारि सुराचितलिङ्गं निर्मलभास्कर शोभितलिङ्गं जनमनि दुःखविनाशनलिङ्गं तं प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम् देवमुनिप्रवरार्चितलिङ्गं देवमुनिप्रवरार्चितलिङ्गं कामविनाशन कारणलिङ्गं रावणदर्पविनाशनलिङ्गं तं प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम् ब्रह्ममुरारि सुराचितलिङ्गम् सर्वसुगन्धिसुलेपितलिङ्गं सर्वसुगन्धिसुलेपितलिङ्गं बुद्धिविवर्धन कारणलिङ्गं सिद्धसुरासुरवन्दितलिङ्गं तं प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम् ब्रह्ममुरारि सुराचितलिङ्गम् स्वर्णमहामणिभूषितलिङ्गं स्वर्णमहामणिभूषितलिङ्गं नागप्रवेष्टितशोभितलिङ्गं दक्षसुयज्ञविनाशनलिङ्गं तं प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम् ब्रह्ममुरारि सुराचितलिङ्गम् कुङ्कुमचन्दनलेपितलिङ्गं कुङ्कुमचन्दनलेपितलिङ्गं पङ्कजहार सुशोभितलिङ्गं सञ्चितपापविनाशनलिङ्गं तं प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम् ब्रह्ममुरारि सुराचितलिङ्गम् देवगणार्चितशोभनलिङ्गं देवगणार्चितशोभनलिङ्गं भावनभक्तिसुकेवललिङ्गं भास्करकोटिप्रभाकरलिङ्गं तं प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम् ब्रह्ममुरारि सुराचितलिङ्गम् अष्टदलोपरिशोभितलिङ्गम् अष्टदलोपरिशोभितलिङ्गम् सृष्टिजहारज कारणलिङ्गम् कष्टदरिद्रविनाशनलिङ्गम् तं प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम्
ब्रह्ममुरारिसुरार्चितलिङ्गम्
सुरगुरुसुरगणपूजितलिङ्गम् सुरगुरुसुरगणपूजितलिङ्गम् सुरवनपुष्प सदा शिवलिङ्गम् परमपदं परमार्जनलिङ्गम् तं प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम्
ब्रह्ममुरारिसुरार्चितलिङ्गम् ब्रह्ममुरारिसुरार्चितलिङ्गम्
ब्रह्ममुरारि सुरार्चितलिङ्गम्
Thank you so much, teachers. That was indeed an expressive and a soulful performance. Is dedicated to Maryada Purushottam, Lord Ram, who is an embodiment of virtue and truthfulness, whose legacy continues to guide and inspire people to lead a life filled with righteousness and spirituality. We now present Sri Ramchandra by Prachi, Adviti, Manya and Anshi. I request all of you to come on stage, please.
Shri Ram, Shri Ram.
Thank you so much. Well, in India, we worship different forms of Lord Almighty. The Shakti form is the protector, the nurturing force, the power which destroys evil and protects her bhaktas. Let us now seek the blessings of Mother Goddess, the Jagat Janani, based on Tal Ek Tal by Anvi, Shalini, Ritika, Pradya and Shreya. May I now request all of you to be on stage, please.
जय जय जग जननी देवी सुर नर मुनि असुर सेवी भक्ति मुक्ति दायिनी भय हरणी कालिका
जय जय जग जननी देवी सुर नर मुनि असुर सेवी भक्ति मुक्ति दायिनी भय हरणी कालिका
मंगल मुद सिद्धि सदनी
पर्व शर्वरीश बदनी तापति मिर तरुण तरणि किरण मालिका
जय जय जग जननी देवी सुर नर मुनि असुर सेवी भक्ति मुक्ति दायिनी भय हरणी कालिका मंगल मुद सिद्धि सदनी पर्व शर्वरीश बदनी तापति मिर तरुण तरणि किरण मालिका जय जय जग जननी देवी चर्म कर कृपाल शूल शैल धनुष बाण
गरजा
निरमा
गरजा
धरि धरमा
वर्म चर्म कर कृपाल शूल शैल धनुष बाण
धरणी धरणी दानवदल रण करालिका पूतना पिशाच प्रेत डाकिनी साकिनी समेत भूत ग्रह वेदार खग मृगाली जालिका जय जय जग जननी देवी सुर नर मुनि असुर सेवी भक्ति मुक्ति दायिनी भय हरणी कालिका मंगल मुद सिद्धि सदनी पर्व शर्वरीश बदनी तापति मिर तरुण तरणि किरण मालिका जय जय जग जननी देवी
भामिनी अनेक रूप नामिनी
गजदा
निरमा
धनि धरे मा जय महेश भामिनी अनेक रूप नामिनी समस्त लोक स्वामिनी हिमशैल बालिका रघुपति पद परम प्रेम तुलसी यहाँ चलनेम देहु वै प्रसन्न पाहि प्रणत पालिका जय जय जग जननी देवी सुर नर मुनि असुर सेवी भक्ति मुक्ति दायिनी भय हरणि कालिका जय जय जग जननी देवी सुर नर मुनि असुर सेवी भक्ति मुक्ति दायिनी भय हरणि कालिका मंगल मुद सिद्धि सदनि पर्व शर्वरीश बदनि तापति निर तरुण तरणि किरण मालिका किरण मालिका किरण मालिका
Well, Thumri is a popular genre of semi-classical vocal music in North India, particularly Hindustani classical music tradition. Thumri is known for its lyrical and emotive qualities, focusing on expressions of love, devotion, and various human emotions. It often features romantic and devotional themes. So now presenting Thumri, created by Bindadan Maharaj, Kahe Rokat Dagar Pyare, based on Tal Dadra. Please welcome on stage Anju, Advita, Pankaj and Jaya.
काहे रोकत डगर प्यारी काहे रोकत डगर प्यारी नंद लाल मेरे काहे रोकत डगर प्यारी काहे रोकत डगर प्यारी नंद लाल मेरे काहे
धाग दरिंद कत 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 में दद बेचन जात वृंदावन आने अचानक घेर लियो मुरी पोड़ी गागरिया मुरी पोड़ी गागरिया मुरी पोड़ी गागरिया
नीत ही करत झगड़ा मोसे नीत ही करत झगड़ा मोसे अनखट नहीं जाने दे देखत सब नारी मोहे देखत सब नारी मोहे बहिया क्यों गहेरी काहे रोकत डगर प्यारी काहे रोकत डगर प्यारी नंद लाल मेरे काहे विनती करत नाही वो मानत विनती करत नाही वो मानत सुनत नाही मोरी छीन लेनो है गले को हार छीन लेनो है गले को हार मांगत नहीं तेरी काहे रोकत डगर प्यारी काहे रोकत डगर प्यारी नंद लाल मेरे काहे
धाग दरिंद कत 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 नीर बरत यमुना तट पर जब भर भर नीर उठायो गगर तब डगर चलत मोय चिरत लंग हर जाओ जी कुंवर पुट जाइए गगर मोय छोड़ छोड़ माधव 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 मोय छोड़ छोड़ माधव 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 माधव।
बिंदा देखो ढीठ लंगर, बिंदा देखो ढीठ लंगर, पर बस मोरी लाज ले दूंगी दुहाई अब ही जाए, दूंगी दुहाई अब ही जाए, नंद जी के डेरे काहे रोकत डगर प्यारी, काहे रोकत डगर प्यारी, नंद लाल मेरे काहे रोकत डगर प्यारी, काहे।
Reach the crescent of this program, the students of Isharat will now present Dhamar Tal. These are our graduating students who put their ears together to reach at this stage today. I request the Isharat students to come on stage, please. We have Arushi Das and Suhasini Verma presenting Kathak dance.
सलामी ग टी ट टी ट ता तात तात दिग धा दिग 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 धा दिग दिग तात तात थे या क्रांत तात तात दिग धा दिग 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 धा दिग दिग तात तात थे tat tat dig da dig ta ta dha ta ka thu ga dha ta ka ga dha ge di ge ta dha ge di ge ta dha din ta da din da de ta kid dha adit ta kid dha ta ka thu ga ta ka thu ga ta ki ta 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 ki ta ta ga te ta ka ta ga di ga
tanare tadani dim taderena tanare tadani dim taderena tadare tadani dim taderena tadare tadani dim taderena tanare tadani dim taderena tanare tadani dim taderena yalalilum yalalilum yalalum yalalilum yalalilum yalalum dhagadigana 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 dhagatikate gadigana tetekate gadigana dhagatikate gadigana dhagatikate gadigana tanare tadani dim taderena tanare tadani dim taderena
ta thunga takka thunga prithe dha thunga takka dig dig the dig dig the tat tat 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 the ek do ta thunga takka thunga prithe dha thunga takka dig dig the tat tat 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 the ek do ta thunga takka thunga prithe dha thunga takka dig dig the tat tat 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 the.
Amazing performance, amazing footwork. What an energy. Thank you so much. We draw the curtains on this spectacular afternoon. We want to take a moment to express our deepest gratitude to all of you for being a part of this extraordinary journey. Thank you so much. I would like to call all the participants now for certificate distribution. Please collect the same along with your badge as the names are announced. First of all, can I request the Saraswati Vandana participants to be here? May I request Mr. Panduranga Nayak to please come on stage to present the certificates to the... Please put your hands together. This is our Jia. Sara. Can I have Sara, please? Can we next have Aradhya? Please put your hands together to bless these participants. Can we have Devanshi? Devanshi? Our little Devanshi? Our youngest performer of the day. Please put your hands together. Can we now have Sanvi, please? Thank you so much. Can we all have Hastak participants now on stage, please? Hastak participants. Deepa. Can we have Deepa, our Hastak performer? Next. Ruma. Ruma. Please put your hands together, guys. Rituparna. Pooja. Can we have Pooja now? Vaishali. And Vanshika. Thank you so much, dear participants. Can we have the folk dance participants on stage, please? Folk dance participants. Can we have Sachi? Sachi on stage. Please collect your certificate, Sachi. Linaisha. Spriha. And Sanvi. Thank you so much. Next we have our dear teachers, our Lingashtak performers. Can we have Mrs. Ankita Vaidya and Mrs. Payal Chakrabarti? Together everyone. Mrs. Ankita Vaidya. Can we now have our Ram Bhajan participants on stage, please? Prachi, can you please come on stage to collect your certificate? Prachi. Adviti. Manya. And Anshi. Thank you so much, dear performers. Can we have the Devi Stuti performers on stage, please? Can we have Anvi? Anvi. Please collect your certificates. Shalini. Ritika. Pradya. And last but not the least, our beautiful Shreya. Thank you so much. Can we have the Tumri participants on stage, please? Tumri participants. Please welcome Anju. Ladies and gentlemen, your appreciation is appreciated, please. Thank you so much. Advita. Jaya. Can we have Jaya on stage, please? And our versatile Pankaj. I'm sorry, Dr. Pankaj. Can I request the Kathak participants on stage, please? Arushi and Suhani. Please put your hands together. These are graduating students, wonderful performers. Suhasini. Anjali and Suhasini.
Hello everyone. Thank you so much for coming today. After Corona, this is our first show which we have put it up, and I am very thankful to lot of people, and I would like to call upon those people on the stage, because कोई भी function कोई एक जन नहीं कर सकता. You need lot of people help with the show. So first of all, my team, Niyati, Ankita and Payal, please come on stage. Thank you so much for helping me out to put up a show. These are our graduate teacher. Niyati is started learning with me only. She graduated, then she worked as a teacher with me. Now she is doing some baking, and I'm telling her, do your baking course and everything, and come back to teaching Kathak again. Many of our students miss her. Payal. Hello. Payal is my first teacher after opening the Trimurti Kala Kendra in Bangalore, and when I required more assistance, so she was the first recruited as a teacher in Trimurti Kala Kendra. She went abroad, she came back, and she joined us back. Now Ankita is the new recruitee with us. She joined this year, but she is doing a wonderful job with the kids, and I am hoping these teachers will help me a lot. Apart from them, backstage people, Rupa, Jia's mom, please come on the stage. Vartika, my announcer. Sujoy Bhaiya, Smriti, जिनका मैंने सर खा लिया कि यहाँ पर कैसे क्या करना है. I was very panicked, कैसे होगा, but come, please come. And of course my husband, who is the backbone, जिनके कारण मैं यहाँ पर कुछ कर पा रही हूँ, चित्रेश, please come on the stage. You were not here, that is why I called you. Vartika, come. And all the parents, thank you so much, क्योंकि अगर आपका सपोर्ट नहीं हो, हम कितना भी बच्चों को सिखाने की कोशिश करें, पुश आपके तरफ से भी होता है. अदरवाइज कोई भी ट्रेडिशनल डांस सीखना सिर्फ 1 साल का काम नहीं है. स्टिल आई एम लर्निंग, स्टिल दे आर लर्निंग, एंड स्टिल वी वांट टू ब्रिंग मोर अपकमिंग आर्टिस्ट to Bangalore, and we want to see कि मतलब ऐसा बोला जाए, ओ ये त्रिमूर्ति कला केंद्र से सीखे हुए बच्चे हैं, and we will feel very proud if world and performing. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming today and making our show so much successful. You can have, we have put up a stall. Please eat. We have a water, juice, keep over here, you can have that. And of course my friends who have come to support me, thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much.